Okay, so I want to start this video by saying I changed my sprocket and chain, and I didn't record it. It was a lot of work, but I didn't record it. But this is the old one. This is 41. This is going up to 43. So I thought this was a 40, but it's actually a 41. So I only went up 2 teeth to make it a slightly more aggressive takeoff. And as you can see, it matched the bike. I really like that. And the chain is now red. This is the old one. It's a good chain. Don't get it twisted. But this bike, when I bought it, it had 14,000 miles on it. And so, and now it has over 30,000 miles. So I was like, yeah, it's definitely time to get a new chain on here. And I'm really proud of it. This is the breaker I used, the chain breaker I used. And guys, I bought this for like 15, 20 bucks. I saw somebody on YouTube use it and it worked out just fine. It did break. I don't know, my arm's strong sometimes. This is one of the pins that broke. But I'm good. I'll buy another one. Those 20 bucks, dude. No big deal. So now I use my saw to it's badly off. It really, that little saw is bad. I bought that one at freaking, what they call it? Harbor Freight for like 30 bucks, I think. That little thing bad, yo. Anyway, so I finally got that off. It was a bolt on here that was really hard to get off, so I had to replace it. And then this is the one right here. As you can see, it don't really look like the others. It's hard to tell because of the background, but it looks good. I'm gonna replace all of them anyway because I want to get red bolts to bring the red a little bit more. So now what we're gonna do is adjust the chain, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace this caliper right here because, as you can see, I don't know if the camera picked it up, but it's messed up. So we're gonna take this off. I went and bought. So anybody know me, I've always bought extra stuff for the bike. This is the left caliper, and I bought a right caliper. I always buy extra stuff. I got extra brakes. This is all the oil I bought. So it's like I try to make sure I got plenty of stuff so I won't slow down. We're gonna talk about safety stuff too. These are those plugs that you use for your tires, opposed to the old one, but we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, these are the brakes. I got plenty of them. I already replaced the back brakes on her. As you know, I already replaced the headlights on here too. I had to replace all these fairings here because they was broken. You gave it a nice little paint job. Replaced the kick plate. Let me show you the old one. I went kind of crazy on this bike. But this is the old one. Also now got a ZX14 versus just a regular kick plate on there. I'll replace these because they were kind of broken and bent. Let me show you the old fairings. Excuse my garage. I'll put it in the garage. But yeah, like this is the old stuff that's broken. I'll show you this one. I had to put tape on it. I tried to paint it and everything. It just did not come out right. So I just screw it, and plus these tabs were messed up. So finally just replaced all of them. This is the box that they came in. And I replaced the mirrors too. These are the old mirrors right here. I was working on the bike. When you buy a bike that's a little old, you just gotta replace parts. But now she's about ready to go. I'm trying to get her ready in the next few hours. I changed the oil on here. I'm gonna have to drain this fluid right here to change the front brake, but we'll tackle that later. And then the cylinder. And then I got some more over there somewhere. But anyway, so I'm having fun. That's all my tools on the floor. just taking my time with her. And then we're gonna bleed the brakes. And then after we change them, and then we're gonna test everything out. Just wanted to let you guys know what I've been doing to the bike. This thing is an amazing bike. You can't really see the light cuss, but the ZX14, yeah, this, I have so much fun on this thing. And so it's important to make sure that she stay up to par, you know, so, and she is definitely holding up because I won't let her go down. Anyway, let me go ahead and get to work. And finish adjusting this back chain, get that out the way for this morning, and then change this caliper. That's going to be the only project we do today. And then test the route and ride. So I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Later. It's been a long time since I did something like this. I did work on a car a lot, but this is pretty much like, no, I worked on a bike before, but not like this. So test this thing out, bleed the brakes. Oh, this is way too big, 17 millimeters. Okay, so I saw a video of this guy. He's overseas, and he got to grab the back, sandwich bag, to catch the liquid coming out after you take this off your caliper. I thought it was genius. I'll leave a link on the video so you can check them out. And if you ever watch my video, sir, across the seas, thank you, because that really made life a lot easier. So now I can take this thing off without making a big mess. So let's go ahead and do that. I just want to let you guys know this is fun. So 1 second. Okay, so this is the replacement, and this is the, I'm gonna turn the light on, hold on. That's a lot better. So this is the replacement. I'm gonna clean it up, some brake fluid, get these old pads out of there. As you can see, these new pads were wearing down anyway. And I had to get it out. So this was, like I said, this was the issue right there. Couldn't get the pin out. This one actually got new pins in there. I'm really impressed. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this bad boy up, set it back up, and bleed the brakes and go and test everything out. But yeah, I'm really excited. This is how she looks without the pins. So yeah, let's get to work. Okay, I decided to come on this side. Just go ahead and take these brakes out too. And we're gonna change them all one time. So you can see it. And then we're going to, like I said, we're gonna bleed them. This thing pops out, so I gotta stop here. But I will resume the video after I put them in. Later. Good friend of mine, Nick D. We use gear oil and we lube these things up. I use the brake cleaner to clean these up. Okay, never want to just throw them back in there, because next time you try to get them out, they'll be stuck. So you want to make sure you keep them greased up for real. I'm gonna have to go get me some actual grease, but for now I'm just gonna use this stuff right here. It's just as good, if not better. And then put them in there for now, then go get the grease and come back and move them up. Pause. Anyway, so you definitely want to clean these things up, so get all this grime off. I'm still working on it, but this is just a quick video to show you that it's important to take care of your stuff. I bought some more of these. I might just go ahead and put them in, because I'm gonna work at this. If I can't get them cleaned, I'll just replace them. But yeah, this is another part. Just 1 moment. I'm gonna pause the video. All right, so I just installed the left side, and just want to make sure the springs don't come out. So that's, I'll put it on the stand. So you want to make sure that way you got it right. That you can feel these pins on the other side. You know what I'm saying? It's good. So I'm about to go ahead and put the right one on, and then fill it back up with fluid. All right, so we got the brakes on this side, brand new brakes. I'm gonna have to push it back a little bit, but we're about to put this back over here. Then we're gonna put the little the cable back on this, and we're gonna start bleeding. All right, wish me luck. Guys, and we're done. The only tricky part, you have to make sure you hold this hose right here, but everything is back on. And that looks so much better, don't it? No more scrapes. When I pull up, people wondering, well, are you fighting your bike? No, not today. You know what I'm saying? It was just a mishap, misunderstanding, but she's good. So I'm about to go ahead and bleed the brakes, and then we're gonna take her out for a test ride, all right? Okay, so now it's the part where you have to bleed your brakes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn this lever, right? Open it, but you're gonna press the brake first and hold it, then open, and then it's gonna push the fluid through, close it back, then press the brake again. So that's how that works. And because I have 2 calipers, I gotta do it on both sides, and then the pressure will build up and I'll be done with this project. So that's how that works. Check back in a few minutes. Correction, check back when I check back, because I don't know if it's going to take a minute, 35, 15 minutes, 20. That depends on how quickly that pressure builds and push the air through the lines. So yeah, later. Okay guys, I have to update you. I'm out here about to play with my goodies. I've been taking pictures. I got my camera and stuff, and my drone. I took some pictures of this old house. But this is not about that. This is about the motorcycle. The day after I made the changes, put the new brake caliper on, changed the brake pads, changed the rear socket, put on the new chain, and I did it all by myself. And look, I'm here. I just rode it for about an hour. The bike feels brand freaking new. I saved over $800. I'm recording, but I'm doing a different kind of video. But I just wanted to chime in, catch y'all up, let you know I did it. You know what I mean? You can do it too. Like, just take your time, man. Research for real. But like, this is new. Anybody that know me, you guys, my friend John and Chris, this was damaged right here. This is all new. I put all this up here myself, and was able to put new brakes on her on both sides. You know what I mean? But that's change the caliber myself. This is the new chain. That's the new sprocket. And guys, when I tell you this thing is running like a champ, yo, I cannot believe it. I'm so happy. Again, I saved over almost $800 in labor charges, B. You know what I'm saying? And time. So I was able to do it myself and get my bike back. So she's coming out exactly the way I want her. I think the next thing I'm gonna focus on is new front tire, because this one is kind of wearing down a little bit. Back, let's look at the back. Yeah, I replaced the back one not too long ago, but I might as well go ahead and replace them both. I still got some tread on it, but yeah, she getting kind of low. So I might as well go ahead and get a new front and rear tire. Then I want to go ahead and get a new exhaust. And I don't know what kind of exhaust I'm gonna get, but I did all the work myself. I replaced the right side fairing. This part was damaged, so I replaced that. I replaced these side frame sliders. I got new mirrors. I did that myself. Got to put this cowl on myself. A friend of mine told me where I could go buy the part. All this right here, all on the side is new. And then I replaced this part too, because when I was riding, the fairings kind of fell apart. So I just put all new stuff on here. Next, I was thinking about just replacing this because I see this little bad paint job up here, but it's not really bothering me too tough, so I'm good. Other than that, man, best bike I ever bought, best bike I ever rode. Really happy I'm able to do this, making stuff on my own. And like I said, I just wanted to catch you guys up and let you know you can do it too. You know, just take your time, find the parts and do your research, and just take your time. And this thing is riding like I pulled it off the Dillarone floor. So just wanted to catch y'all up. All right, let me go ahead. My drone should be fully charged. I'm about to try to just fly and get some really cool shots. I've been, like I said, riding and taking pictures all day. And yeah, that's it. I'm charging my devices before I hop back on the bike and head back across town. And it is hot, but this is where I like to come to relax, by the way. But just to recharge and think. But yeah, that's it. have a little fun, and then hop back on the bike and head back home because I'm getting a little hungry. Oh, look at that classic truck right there. That's pretty dope, baby. Anyway, baby. That's that biggie. Anyway, signing off. Just wanted to catch you guys up. This project is done, man. Project is done. Wow. Really happy. Still got to get it unlocked. Still got to get... I put in a new filter, air filter, and it's definitely an upgrade. I noticed a performance increase big time, but I still didn't get that sprint filter. When I do that and get the new exhaust and what else I need to do, like racing tires, then I'm gonna take it to get it on the ECU unlocked. And if I wasn't fast before, I'm about to take this bike into a whole new orbit. And you know what I'm gonna do after that? Go buy another one because I love these bikes just that much, man. Anyway, I'm grateful. Thank you. Want to give God the glory for this day, this peace, honor. Man, I'm really relaxed and really positive headspace, and I needed this rest. I wish my brother was with me, but I think he went to the WOW event or rode the Buckies with my boy Speed and his crew, so it's all good. I'll catch him on the next one. I'm gonna bring him out here so he can check it out because I know he'll love it. But anyway, signing off. Peace. About to pull out the drone and have some fun.